image formation by concave lens. So in this video, we'll talk about image formation by concave lens. In concave lens, only two image formations are there. One is object is placed at infinity. Object is placed at infinity. Only this case, infinity. And second case is object is placed between infinity and optic center. Between infinity and optic center. Only two cases are there, so we'll discuss about these two cases. So we can see concave lens I am taking here. Concave lens is a diverging lens. When light rays falls on it, it diverts the light rays. As you can see on the screen, so this is a concave lens. Concave lens, right? Optic center is there. So here is the optic center. I am taking the optic center. So for this one, F1, 2F1, F2 and 2F2. So one light ray, how many light rays are required to form the image of the object? Minimum 2 light rays, right? So that's why I am taking 2 light rays. This is one light ray. As it is diverging lens, whenever the light rays falls on it, so it diverges. So if you observe here carefully, the light rays are diverging. Exactly at the center of the lens, the light rays should diverge. So the divergence should be shown at the center of the lens. So here you can observe. If you extend those light rays, so you can observe here. If you observe here, we are extending those light rays. These are the refracted rays. So what phenomena involved in this lens? Refraction. So when light rays pass through the lens, refraction takes place. Why? Because it's a transparent medium. Refraction means completely light will pass through that, then at the interference of the two media it will bend. Means so refraction takes place. For our convenience, for our better understanding, for drawing the diagram, so we are drawing this one because it is thinner at the middle, thicker at the edges. So these are the edges, right? Edges thicker, thicker, here thinner. So it is very small, right? That's why we are taking like that. This is one image formation. So in this case, object I am placing at infinity. Object where infinity. Okay. So where image is forming? Second image. Image is at F1. At F1. What is the nature of the image? Here virtual erect. Virtual nature of the image is nature of the image. Nature of the image. Nature of the image is virtual erect. Virtual and erect. And size of the image is point sized image. So size, if you take, it is a point size image. Size of the image. Size of the image is point size or highly diminished. Highly diminished. Highly diminished. Highly diminished or point sized image is formed at focus, that is f1. So this is the first image formation. And coming to the second one, if you come to the second image formation, second one, I am taking the concave lens same. So how to draw the concave lens? You can draw upper one line and lower one. So here like this. Okay, certain distance, at certain distance, the principal axis can draw here. Optic center, I am placing here f1 and here 2f1, this side f2, 2f2. As you see, the second image formation is object is placed between infinity and optic center. So infinity and optic center I said, right? So this optic center in infinity somewhere. So I am placing here, anywhere you can place between that point. So exactly tip of the object we have to take the light rays. So I am taking exactly tip here. One light I am taking like this. As it is diverging lines, the light rays will be diverged. Like that I am taking. Another light ray passes through the optic center. When light rays passing through optic center, no deviation, like that light rays will pass. If you extend this refracted ray, so it will meet, the image will form between f1 and O. So here the image will form. So that virtual erect and diminished image will be. Now you can see object position. Object placed. Object is placed between, O means object. Object is placed between infinity and optic center. Optic center. Image is formed between. Image also formed. Image is formed between f1 and O optic center. Nature of the image is, so if you come to the nature of the image, nature of the image is virtual erect, virtual and erect. And coming to the size of the image is size of the image, size of the image. So size of the image is diminished. Diminished means decreased compared to this object. Here it is the image. Compared to the object, image size is decreased. So diminished. Diminished or decreased, the size is reduced. we can say anything, diminished, size is reduced. Okay, so this is about two image formations of concave lens. So this is the concave lens. Second image formations. So as I said, two image formations. So this one. So this second one. This is the first one. Cases you have to remember. Object is placed at infinity. Image is formed at f1. Okay. And object is placed between infinity and optic center. Image will formed between f1 and O. If you like this content, do like, share and subscribe to Student the Brand. Thank you.